So guys, today I have a brand new na tablet na meron natin from Blackview. And this is called the Blackview Tab 11 Wi-Fi. So kaka-debut lang na ito, tablet na ito. And this one is priced at around 9,399. And I'll be posting the link on the description below. This tablet is a budget-friendly tablet that's geared towards daily entertainment, online learning, and a lot more. So pag-usapan natin right after this quick intro. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond, the Gadget Psychic, and welcome back to my channel. So, kita natin ang ganda nitong tablet na ito. Though. It's really nice looking ang kanyang box. And this one has up to 14 gigs of RAM, bali 8 plus 6 siya. No? And ang storage niya is 256 gig of storage. And here at the back, we can see some quick specs. So, buksan natin. So, makita natin bubungan sa atin is a tempered glass. Uy, hindi siya film ha, it's a tempered glass. So we have yung protective cover niya, which is a flip case. Looking nice. And sa likod, kita natin kanyang camera module. Bago natin buksan yung tablet, other things inside the box. Type-C cable, manual, SIM ejector tool, 18 watts na charging brick, and ang kanyang pen tool na may magnetic na cover. And pag open mo, makita mo, it's not your usual pen, no? Medyo kakaiba lang siya. Pagbukas sa tablet, it's a trifold na pwede natin gawing stand to sa likod. Okay? So, this is how it's going to look like pag nakatayo siya. No? So, meron siyang triangle dito sa likod. So, tatayo siya ng ganito. Now, what's nice dito sa kanya is magandang kanyang case. No? And yung likod niya is more of plastic finish na medyo jelly type. So, bubuksan na natin to see. And this is how it looks like, frosted na jelly. So, ano siya, malambot and flexible. And this is how it looks like, ang kanyang case. So, ang color natin dito is the space gray and we have the lagoon green color as well. Ang likod niya is the 16MP na rear camera sensor. And on top, we have your power button, volume rocker, of course, your loudspeaker. On the side, it's pretty clean. Meron siyang microphone lang dito. And sa ilalim, ang kanyang SIM tray, Type-C port, and of course, another loudspeaker. And I almost forgot na meron siyang audio jack dito. So since sinabi naman na this is a Wi-Fi edition, so expect natin this is a micro SD expansion card. After natin mag-boot up, this is the home screen na makikita natin. And very responsive naman siya on my every swipe dito sa tablet na ito. Currently, itong tablet ito is being powered by Android version 12 and it's being run inside Doki OS na version 3.0. So, since we have 8 gigs of RAM, gusto natin expand up to 14 gigs. So, kailangan mo i-adjust lang ito. No? By default, I think naka plus 4 lang siya kanina. So, right now, lalagyan natin sa plus 6. This one would right now have a total of 14 gigs of RAM. Ang kanyang front-facing camera na nakatago dito sa ibabaw is also a 16MP. Now, for maximum satisfaction ng iyong mga entertainment, I would suggest ilagay mo ang screen optimization niya into bright para medyo mas maganda. Now, pwede natin turn on dark mode na dito to make it look better. Now, meron siyang dito Android Auto na app and I think kailangan ayusin ni Blackview kung bakit hindi gumagana siya as of the moment. Ang Google Play Store is working fine dito sa tablet na ito. So, lahat pwede mo download dito sa Google Play Store. Lahat ang kailangan ninyo. Now, itong tablet na ito is being powered by a MediaTek MT8183. This chip is nothing new, being released back in 2019 bago pa nag-hit ang pandemic. And gusto natin i-check ang kanyang benchmarking. And ito naman ang score na nakuha niya, 182,000 points, which pag binreakdown naman natin ng kanyang score, this is what you'll be getting. Now, itong tablet ito has a very massive na battery, 8,380 mAh na battery, which can support up to 18 watts of fast charge. So, tinry ko naman siya i-charge from 0 to 100. Medyo may katagalan nga lang siya. Umabot siya ng roughly 3 hours to complete the full charging cycle. No? So, medyo may kunting katagalan nga talaga siya. Now, itong tablet ito has quite a decent na battery life. It can give you 8 hours na screen on time. This one is being calibrated under 50% brightness and ang kanyang screen refresh rate is at 60 Hz. Pagdating naman sa daily usage, I would say na itong tablet ito, okay, kaya naman na magtagal ng whole day if you're just simply watching mga videos, browsing the internet, checking your social media, doing some conference call. I think kayang-kaya naman na magtagal ng whole day, walang problema. Now, itong tablet na to has a very big na screen. This one has a 10.36-inch na screen size and ang kanyang resolution FHD, and this one is an IPS LCD. And ang kanyang screen-to-body ratio is around mga 82% dahil medyo makapal lang ng bezel, but a little bit more of symmetrical naman siya. Now, if you're browsing your favorite social media here, TikTok, Facebook, okay naman siya, no? Don't expect na kasing smooth siya ng mga 90 Hz of screen refresh rate, but this one can give you a nice browsing experience if you have a decent internet connection. Expect okay naman ang browsing mo dito sa tablet na ito. Now, if you're watching videos dito sa YouTube, be it shorts or stand-up YouTube format, I would say, okay, maganda na ka ng resolution dito. Don't expect naman na, well, kasing ganda siya na AMOLED display, but this one gives you a good experience dito, lalo na yung ganang speaker. No? Malakas ang ganang loudspeaker dito, by the way, guys. And I can say na if you're watching mga basketball games dito, anime, lahat, it's really nice. And lalo na perfect siya for the whole family, pagbumarkada. And I believe that this one is a very nice investment that you can have if you like entertainment. Lalo na kung mag-binge watch ka ng Korean novela, this one is perfect. Now, kumuha lang ako ng quick sample snap using the rear camera. Well, I can say na okay naman siya. Hindi naman ganun sobrang wow ang kanyang camera, but I can say it's pretty decent to take some quick snap if you want to send some photo over sa Facebook or just post some quick photos sa Instagram. I think this can pretty much get the job done. And checking its front-facing camera, I would say na okay din siya. The resolution is not so bad, and I can say that this one can be a really nice camera if you are always going online for a Zoom meeting or Google Meets. This one can also get the job done. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa tablet na to? Ito is Blackview Tab 11 Wi-Fi. This one, I can say that if you're looking for a nice tablet that has a decent speaker, and decent battery life, a ample, good enough na screen for online learning and for conferencing and going online all the time, and probably for entertainment purpose na rin, this one is a good performer if you're looking for one under 10,000 pesos. You can catch this one si Blackview Tab 11 Wi-Fi for 9,399, and I'll be posting the link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon para hindi na miss mga future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.